So here's a very simple alignment technique thing that you learn in Iyengar yoga that you often don't learn in other systems of yoga. Now, you may have heard that when you take your arm overhead, like this, that you should pull your shoulder down. If you practiced a system other than Iyengar, you've probably heard to pull your shoulder down. Even some Iyengar teachers talk about pulling down. But as a scientist who studied anatomy, and as an Iyengar student who's watched BKS Iyengar in person and learned from him and seen how he practices, he does not pull his shoulder down. He lifts it up. Now, why would you do that? Well, there's a good anatomical reason for it. Here's why. You can try this. So sit upright, take your arm up, and then pull your shoulder down. Now try to move your arm backward in the way it would go in a back bend or in a downward dog pose, and you'll feel the movement is very limited. Feel now with your fingers of your opposite hand right here, as you pull your shoulder down, you'll feel right in front of your armpit here that the muscles are tight. These are the pectoral muscles, and when these pectoral muscles are tight, they prevent the arm from going back. Now keep your fingers on the muscles and lift the shoulder blade, lift the shoulder blade, lift the shoulder blade without squeezing it in toward your neck. It just goes straight up, and now take your arm back, and lo and behold, your arm goes much further back. That's because the pectoral muscles, the chest muscles, released, and they allowed the shoulder blade, the whole shoulder girdle, to rock back, allowing the arm much greater range of motion. And if you look at the back bends of BKS Iyengar, you can see his arms go tremendously far back, and that's one of the reasons his back bends are so beautiful.